Good morning. This is Streetview Vagabond's Global Sound Check, where I fire up my internet radio, pick a station at random from around the world, and list the first 5 songs that have a Shazam match. Where are we going today? Today we're listening to Radio 1 from Tahiti. Let's see what they're spinning.
I wanna dance away these days. And if you feel the same, when you run, come around. When you run, come around. Es que me pasé de copas. Me fui a dormir contigo y me desperté con
These are dreams that I walk through. What I risk to become.
Enjoy these songs at full length by following the YouTube links below or by listening to Streetview Vagabond's playlist for the week on Spotify. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get your Global Sound Check daily recap. Thanks for listening.